Very good morning, students. Today we are going to start the chapter number 4th of your mathematics, that is altitudes and medians of a triangle. In the last lecture, in the last video, I have explained how to draw altitude and medians. Now today we will start with the practice set 4.1. So the first question is, in triangle LMN, dash is an altitude and dash is a median. So write the names of appropriate segment. So let's see the diagram first. So L, M, N is given. So here Lx is the altitude and Ly is the median. So here we will write it, that is segment Lx is the altitude. So segment Lx is the altitude and median is which one? That is segment Ly. Now we will move to the second question. So the second question is, draw an acute angle triangle PQR. Draw all of its altitudes. Name the point of concurrence as O. So first of all, you will draw a acute angle. Means all the angles should be less than 90 degree. So first of all, draw the base and then draw the triangle. So name it as PQR. P, Q and R. So with the help of your set square, you will draw the altitudes. So suppose from the vertex of P, we will first make it, that is from the vertex P, just draw the altitude and make it 90 degree and name it as M. Similar way, for the vertex Q, we will make a altitude. So just draw it altitude. Again name it as M we have named. So here MN. Now from the vertex of R we have to draw. So just check it with this. So you will see that the point of concurrence should be there. That means the three altitudes will intersecting in one point. So M, N, Q, P is already given. So we will take it as S. So this point of concurrence is what? It is the orthocenter. So it is named as O. So that only it is given in the question we have to draw. So this also 90 degree you will put it. So what is there? It is an acute angle where the altitude QN and PM and RS are the altitude of the triangle PQR, and these three altitudes are intersected in one point. The point of concurrence is O. That is called orthocenter. So the third question is, draw an obtuse angled, that is triangle STV. Draw its medians and show the centroid. So we have to draw an obtuse angled triangle. So first of all, we will draw the triangle which is greater than 90 degree. So first of all, take the base with the help of your scale. Draw the base first. Suppose I have taken any of the length, you can take it from the base. And obtuse means more than 90 degree. So any angle you can take it which should be more than 90 degree. Then join it. So the triangle has drawn. So that we will name it as STV. Okay. Now we have to draw the medians. So before we draw the medians, we have to draw the perpendicular bisectors. So already in the last video I have explained how to draw the perpendicular bisectors. So take the distance and more than half of the line. So more than half of the line you will take it. So put an arc over here. Opposite side same, you will put the arc. Okay. And then again from the S point you will take it and take an arc of this. Both the side you have to take an arc, not to change the position. So you will get this arc and here another arc. So you can have to join this intersected arcs. So here you will join this intersected arcs with dotted lines, because in this many lines you will get. So if you will make the perpendicular bisectors as dotted lines, so that medians we will make it with the main lines. Now again this is for one. So here what we got? So for our SV we got the intersected line. So here you can put it 90 degree. Now from this point you will join the opposite, that is your T point, you will join it. So you will see this T point. So name it as, any name you can give it. So we can name it as A. Suppose this is A. Okay. So now for the other point we will take the bisector of ST. So ST point you will take the more than half of the side. Okay. More than half of the side we have taken. Now make a arc of both the side. Same, there will be no changes in the arc position. Already in 7th standard you have done. So now make this two arcs, intersected arc, join it. So we will join this two intersected arc with dotted lines. Okay, because you know that you will get another main line for the medians, but you have to put the arcs for the extended line. So this is what you will get 90 degree. Now from the ST line, means which is the opposite vertex of this, V will be the opposite vertex. So you will join this V to this intersection of perpendicular bisector and name it as B. So we got two lines. Now the third line we will. So now for the TV also we will take the same thing. We will take more than half of the line and we will put an arc of both opposite side, both the arcs, and then the intersection point will be an arc, and there this two arc intersection arc will be joined. So from this point here what we got? We got the perpendiculars. So here we will join this perpendicular to the opposite side, opposite vertex of the side. TV is the X, S is the opposite vertex. So join that S point to this intersected point. What we will take it? That is A, B we have given the name. So C we will take it. Okay. So you can see these three medians also getting intersected in one point. That one point of the concurrence is named as G, that is called centroid of the triangle, centroid of the three medians. So this is the centroid point we got for the triangle STV. So the construction, first what you will do, for the three sides you have to draw the perpendicular bisector. So perpendicular bisector, after drawing the perpendicular bisector, you will see to it that its medians has to be joined. After joining the medians, you will see that interior of the triangle, the three medians getting intersected in one point. The point of concurrence is called centroid and it is denoted by G.